Hello again guys, welcome again to my channel. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing from BoxyCharm. Oh no, sorry. For those of you that doesn't know about BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm is a subscription that you pay $21 every month and you get 5 products that are full size. It's kind of like cheaper that way to try new makeup products. You know how makeup can be expensive, so I subscribed BoxyCharm for like 7 months now, I think. But I never really get a chance to upload videos for unboxing. So this is gonna be my first excuse me. So this is gonna be my first unboxing video. So I got this over the weekend, but I didn't get a chance to open it because I was so busy over the weekend, and it's still sealed. So I'm gonna open it, and it looks like this. It says hello charmer. My box last month, it was actually open when I get it in the mail, but this time I'm glad the double tight. So this is what it looks like. So there's a foam inside to protect all the products so that they won't get messed up. And there's a paper in here. It says BoxyCharm. At the back of the paper, they have these coupons right here. So I'm gonna put the link below just in case you wanna try BoxyCharm. So this is the list of all the products that they sent to me for this month. So the first product I have in here is the, you know what? Let me do my eyebrows first. I'll be right back. So I'm back, and I know my eyebrow is not perfect, but oh well, that's okay. So the first product that I'm gonna try is the No More Baggage from Dr. Brandt. It's right here. Say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Deep Puffing Gel. So it is a gel. I have a little bit of eye bags, but I don't think it's that dark, which is good. So this is a full size and it costs $42. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. That's what it looks like. It's everywhere on my hand. So you might have to be careful with this when you squeeze it. So I'm gonna try it. It feels cool under the eyes a little bit. Actually, my eyes look a little better. Like it looks fresh. Earlier it was like has that coolness effect, but now it kind of like burns a little bit. I don't know if it's just me or I don't know. You just feel a little tingling over here. Some people may like this, but feel like tingling feeling, I don't like it. Okay, the next product I have is the Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. This costs $26. This is actually my second Chella product. The first one that I had was from my Ipsy Glam Bag. It was a eyebrow pencil, and I actually liked it. Okay. So this is the cream right here inside. I don't know if you all can see it. Right there. And this is the applicator. The applicator is kind of thick. I wish it would be like a little slimmer. I think the eyebrow cream is okay. I don't think I would purchase this one because I have a eye cream that I got from a drugstore for only like $5, and there's no really difference. Let me put some foundation on my face because I didn't put any foundation earlier because of the defogging gel that I tried. Um, yeah, I'll be right back. So the third one that I have in my box is this palette right here. So I'm gonna open it. So this palette is from Crown. So this palette cost $29. It says that this is creamy, high pigmented palette. So there's 4 shimmer shades in here and 6 matte shades. So I'm gonna try them. I actually like the palette because they're pigmented, not too pigmented, but you know, you can always like build it up more. And it costs $29. So for our next product, which is the fourth one, I got here a volume and curl mascara. It says Unlashed by Wonder Beauty. It looks like this. Actually, I thought it was a liquid lipstick, but when I read it, it's actually a mascara. This mascara costs $24, and it says in here that this award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights. Literally. It says in here literally. The Unlashed mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. I have a really short lashes, so let's see if it really volumizes my lashes. So let me curl my lashes first. Okay, so we're gonna try this mascara. So this is what it looks like. I actually put 2 coats. So this is what it looks like now. I like how it looks, but I don't think it's that full. I like the applicator for this one, but it's not as full as I want it to. So for our last product that I got in my box is this Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. And it has an argan oil in it, which is good. This is what it looks like. And it has note in it. And it has a mirror. I like the packaging for this blush. And I like the color too. It's peachy. So I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks. Oh. This is so pigmented. You might just have to be careful because this blush is so pigmented. You might put too much. I think I put too much in here. Yeah, let me just put some lip gloss. This blush cost $11.99. So far, I like the palette. I think my favorite is the palette. And second is the mascara. And the list, this one, I don't like it very much because when I tried to apply my foundation, I saw some spots right here. It leaves that peachy, patchy color. Yeah, this is the look that I came up with, the products that I got for this month, and I like it. So this month's box cost $133.98, and I only paid $21 for it. So if you're interested to get into BoxyCharm, I'm gonna put the link below. Let me know if you like your box for this month or not. What was your favorite product inside your box? So I really hope that you like this video, and please don't forget a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time on my next video.